Okay, students, this is the help video for problems 11 through 15. Taking a look at problem number 11. This looks very intimidating with lots of algebra, but for the moment, I want you just to ignore the algebra. Let's simply color code. All I want you to do. We have algebra for this segment. And if you look very carefully, this blue segment means we have algebra for this segment. And we have some for this segment. And we have something for this segment. Now look very, very carefully. You're trying to find a way so that segments add up so that you can actually solve something. So I'm looking at the red right now. I know that segment ST plus segment T to V equals the larger segment together, SV. That's a true statement, right? I also know, if you look very carefully, that this segment UV, trace it, UV, which is the 8, plus this segment U to S or S to U, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to color code that for you so it's easy to see. That would be the yellow segment. That those two segments, the green plus the yellow, also equals the larger segment SV. Now, here's the connector. SV is SC. So if that is congruent, we can make these equal to each other. Ready? So we're going to color code this all along with me. ST plus TV, that makes SV. And then we have the green plus yellow, UV plus US, which is yellow, also equals SV. Now that we can see how they combine, now we can do the algebra. So ST right there, that is X plus 14 plus T to V, and then X plus 16 equals U to V, which is 8, plus U to S, which is down here, 16 plus X, which on our color coding is yellow. So just so it's easy for you to spot, we have the red plus the blue equals the green. Now that you have this, and you have an equation, obviously you're going to solve for X. And once you solve for X, I want you to plug it in and make sure everything works. Follow a similar process for problem 12. So I'll give you a hint for problem 12. You're looking for segments that add up to the larger segment CF. So think about segments that add up to the larger segment CF, and you're going to use that as a connector. Do the work. Check your work online when you're done. Problem number 13, let's at least color code this. We know that DF and GJ are equal, so let's color code them. And we also know that DE and HJ color code those are equal. We're trying to connect EF to GH. EF, GH, question mark. That's what you're going for, is how can you make those equal? And we see that the blue plus the green equals the red. The blue plus the green equals the red. I'd like you to go ahead and let's color code this DF and DJ. This was your red is equal to your red. Ask yourself, where do we get that information? Notice number 2. Number 2 is one of your red equals the blue plus the green. Red equals blue plus green. That is going to be segment addition. Now notice the other one here says segment addition, and there's only one other segment to work with. So take a wild guess on what you think goes there, and then you're going to complete the proof. One hint, if this is what you're trying to prove, then it is always the last line. If that is what you're trying to prove, then it is always the last line. 14, you go ahead and graph these lines yourself. 15, you're going to do on your own. 16, we're just going to get started here. We're going to finger trap and read out loud. So put your finger right there. You can read out loud. Okay, we have a support wire, which is 40 feet from the base of the tower. So 40 feet from the base of the tower is this support wire. Cross it out. The slope of that wire is 75%. We want the height of the tower, which we drop straight down at a right angle. We're going to call that X. So we're trying to find the height of the tower. The most important thing here is to know 2 things. Slope is always a fraction. Slope is always a fraction. So that 75% at some point needs to be translated to a fraction. And then if you don't know what to do, you always do what you can do, which you always can at least write out the equation. Slope is rise over run. Slope is rise over run. You're going to use that setup to solve for your unknown.